Good morning, Mike Solomon here with your home comfort show. Today we're going to talk about preparing your home for winter. So our temperatures here in the Coachella Valley and Riverside have dropped tremendously. It feels beautiful outside, and it's almost to the point where we're going to turn on our heaters. So some people at night are probably already turning on their heater, but it is a beautiful time of the year, and we're just going to prepare our homes for winter. So we want to make sure that as we prepare for the season, that there's some areas where we can increase the comfort in our house, reduce the heating costs, and prevent unforeseen breakdowns of our heating equipment. Some areas you can do yourself, and other areas you'll probably want to hire a professional to help you out with. So the first area I want to talk about that's an easy do-it-yourself area is sealing windows and doors. So anytime there's a gap around your windows or doors, it allows the heat inside your home to escape through that gap. So when we're trying to save our money and keep our house comfortable, any of these little gaps and cracks around our windows just basically create areas of temperature splits and uncomfortable areas in your home. So sealing these things through weather stripping, which you can get at your local hardware store, is an easy way to keep your house comfortable. You'll be really surprised at how much heat actually escapes through these small little gaps around your windows and doors. So if you walk around your house, take a look at your windows and doors, see where you can add some weather stripping to stop that heat from escaping your home.